We all know that time is money and everyone can benefit from having more time. We always need more time to get things done and want to be as productive as possible with the time we have available. So you might be wondering, how can you actually make money using Jasper? Jasper is an upcoming artificial intelligence copywriting program that has so many opportunities for just about anyone. Artificial intelligence is now used by bloggers, YouTubers, podcasters, freelancers, copywriters, email marketers, Facebook ad experts, and so many others to produce better copywriting and content for their online business. Here are some specific and easy ways to start making money using Jasper as a freelancer or within your own online business. Number 1, become a freelance writer. Number 2, create sales pages. Number 3, write email marketing copy. Number 4, create ebook or physical books. Number 5, create Facebook ad copy. Number 6, write YouTube script. Number 7, build website for client. Number 8, transcribe events or speaker in video format, that is podcast. So how are you going to use Jasper to make extra income? Comment down. So now I am going to show you how to use Jasper. First of all, open your any Chrome browser and type jasper.ai. So when the website is open, here you can see Jasper AI copywriting and content creator. Open the website and you can see website is open. Create amazing blog post 10x faster with AI. So scroll down for more information. Here you can see there is a bar: social media, advertising, writing articles, emails, website, art. So here you can see the options they are giving us: SEO optimized blog post and generate long form and many others. And you can use for Shopsy website to sell products and art. You can generate AI images with the high resolution. So now I'm telling the uses and features of AI. Write copy and content that convert. Your AI sidekick is trained to produce high converting marketing content. Number 2, from new breakthrough writer who you spark fresh ideas. Number 3, and output. Whether you are a creator or director, help you. So add Jasper to Chrome button on and you can see the new website you will go to the next Chrome web store page. You can add to Chrome extension. Now you can see extension is downloaded. So here you need to log in first to your application. You continue with Google. Here you can see that you choose an account which you want to select for Jasper. So I'm choosing my Google account. Now type your company name and domain name. Here's my website, HK Designer. So I'm choosing this website. So click on how you can use. I choose other and get started. So on next button you can see there are showing many options. Read briefly. Next, complete. I am not a robot and complete here you can see that there are many features: $40 per month, $82 per month, and contact sale. Here you can see the options and you choose which you want to select. You need to first pay, then you can use. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more interesting videos. I'll make a video on part 2 soon. Thanks for watching.